Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Nordic language video. This time, the animal edition. I hope you'll enjoy learning how to say different animals in the 5 main Nordic languages: Norwegian, Icelandic, Danish, Finnish, and Swedish. Here we go! First off, how do you say animal? Norwegian, dyr. Swedish, djur. Danish, dyr. Icelandic, dyr. Finnish, eläin. Now let's start with the animals. How do you say bear? Norwegian, björn. Swedish, björn. Danish, björn. Icelandic, björn. Finnish, karhu. Now what about man's best friend? Dog. Norwegian, hund. In Swedish, hund. In Danish, hund. In Icelandic, hundar. And in Finnish, koira. Moving along with pets, we've got cat. Norwegian, katt. Swedish, katt. Danish, ket. Icelandic, kattur. Finnish, kissa. Moving on to the king of the animal kingdom, we've got lion. Norwegian, löve. In Swedish, lejon. In Danish, lu. Icelandic, leon. In Finnish, leona. Duck. Norwegian, and. Swedish, anka. Danish, en. Icelandic, un. Finnish, anka. Bird. Norwegian, fugl. Swedish, fågel. Danish, fugl. Icelandic, fugl. Finnish, lintu. Keeping to the topic of flying things, we've got butterfly. Norwegian, sommerfugl. Swedish, fjäril. Danish, sommerfugl. Icelandic, fiðrildi. Finnish, perhonen. Goat. Norwegian, geit. Swedish, get. Danish, gil. Icelandic, geit. Finnish, vuohi. Zebra. Norwegian, zebra. Swedish, zebra. Danish, zebra. Icelandic, zebrahäst. Finnish, zebra. Sheep. Norwegian, sau. Swedish, får. Danish, får. Icelandic, king. Finnish, lammas. Elephant. Norwegian, elefant. Swedish, elefant. Danish, elefe. Icelandic, fikk. Finnish, norsu. Fox. Norwegian, rev. Swedish, rev. Danish, rev. Icelandic, revur. Finnish, kettu. Turtle. Norwegian, skilpadda. Swedish, sköldpadda. Danish, skilpill. Icelandic, skjoldbaka. Finnish, kilpikonna. Frog. Norwegian, frosk. Swedish, groda. Danish, frö. Icelandic, froskur. Finnish, sammakko. Rabbit. Norwegian, kanin. Swedish, kanin. Danish, kanin. Icelandic, kanina. Finnish, pupu. Cow. Norwegian, ku. Swedish, ku. Danish, ku. Icelandic, ku. Finnish, lehmä. Horse. Norwegian, hest. Swedish, häst. Danish, häst. Icelandic, hästor. Finnish, hevonen. Lizard. Norwegian, ögle. Swedish, ögla. Danish, öyle. Icelandic, evla. Finnish, lisko. Fish. Norwegian, fisk. Swedish, fisk. Danish, fisk. Icelandic, fiskur. Finnish, kala. Another applicable one to the north, we've got wolf. Norwegian, ul. Swedish, varg. Danish, u. Icelandic, ulvur. Finnish, susi. Chicken. Norwegian, kylling. Swedish, kyckling. Danish, kuling. Icelandic, kjúklingur. Finnish, kana. Pig. Norwegian, gris. Swedish, gris. Danish, svin. Icelandic, svin. Finnish, sikka. Snake. Norwegian, slang. Swedish, orm. Danish, sling. Icelandic, snaukur. Finnish, käärme. Monkey. Norwegian, ape. Swedish, apa. Danish, ib. Icelandic, apakuttur. Finnish, apina. That's it for today. What's your favorite animal? Comment it down below in your language. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep getting more language videos. Tack för idag, Tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!